Just making a quick video just to install some mirror lights. Just wanted to show where the turn signal and the marker wiring is at. It'll be behind the front dash, main dash, which you would have to remove that. You would also, well, maybe you might not have to, but you would have to remove, or maybe you can find them without removing this air duct vent. Hopefully you won't have to move. It's a pain in the ass. But here at the bottom, you'll find that when you first open it, there'll be all these wires will be back here at the bottom. You're gonna have to dig around where all the mirror heat connections are at, mirror motor. But once you'll find them, it'll be two wires, one with the blue label, one with the white label. Let's see if I can. One be mirror marker, I think it says signal. It's kind of hard to see what this damn for. And then the other one will say LH turn signal, left hand turn signal. This will be on the passenger side, driver's side. You might also be able to find them from the bottom without removing all this shit. Where the duct vent is at, maybe through the back side. This is for the driver's side. Then on the passenger side, you don't have to remove the glove box, and they'll also be buried back in there with all those wires, which I already looked for mine. And you would also have one with the right turn signal, right turn signal. It's a bullet connection on both sides. And the other one would be also with the blue bullet connection. This one would say right mirror marker lamp. All you do is just connect your wire from your mirror, whatever wire you run, to these two, and your lights should work. Don't forget to connect your ground to the frame or somewhere. Well, that was it. Just want to show y'all guys where the electrical wires are at for it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Don't have to cut off from nowhere else. Just plug and play. Thanks for watching.